Alright guys, welcome back to Brothers Family Farm, and tonight I'm building an exhaust fan for my mushroom farm, and this is gonna be very simple, very easy, long lasting, and million times reusable filter for your exhaust fan for the mushroom fruiting room. So I like it, and I just wanted to use for my farm, and if you guys wanted to make one for your farm, you can do it because it is very reliable, very easy, and very convenient, and you can use very long time, and you can like clean at any time. This is not that hard for you to clean. I'm working for this exhaust fan. So this is about like 450 CFM, and then this fan spins about 450 CFM per minute or maybe something. And then this one is gonna be my fan base that I'm gonna put that fan on top of this bucket, and I'm gonna have lots of holes on the bottom so that it will have enough suction power, and then whatever the things will land on this bucket. It'll be easier for us to clean. This is simple DIY stuff, like. So I'm gonna be laying this down on the floor so that the carbon dioxide is the heaviest gas compared to oxygen, and then most of the time that will be staying on the ground, on the base, so it'll be easier for the fan to suck it out and throw it out of the fruiting room. All right guys, so what I'm gonna be doing is like making lots and lots of holes, and then put this stuff on the corner right there, so my exhaust fan will be going out from there with this one, and the bucket will sit right next to this window, and I have the outlet right there so that I can hook it up right over there, and then it'll be easier for me to run this fan. All right guys, let me work on it and let's see how it goes. All right. There you go guys, this is how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna make a lot of holes around the bucket, and then the reason that I did this one is it's very easy for me to clean it up, like sanitize, clean it up, power wash, whatever you want to do it. And then the other benefit for this kind of bucket is like you can put like washable, reusable filter inside here, and then like make it like a little bit tighter in the center so that you will not suck it out into the fan, or you can put like Nate or the metal stuff in here so that it won't suck it up. Anything that lands in the filter on outside the bucket is very easy for you to clean it up at any time. You don't have to unscrew, you don't have to do anything because it will stay right on this bucket and be very tight. So what I'm gonna do is like make all the holes, like whatever the holes I needed. It'd be millions of holes, like I don't know how many holes, but I just did that way. But I'm gonna make lots of holes around the bucket, and then put the fan on top, and we'll see how good it is. Like once I finish this, it'll be easier for you guys to look it up, because this is the world's #1 like cheapest DIY for the mushroom exhaust fan. All right, let's see guys. All right guys, look at this. 80-90% of the holes are done, so I'm gonna stop right now, but you got the idea what I mean. So this is gonna be the very easy, very convenient, and the cheapest filtration system for the mushroom proofing room, for the carbon dioxide exhaust fan. So my exhaust fan is right there. It's gonna be sitting right on this one. All right, so this is just a demonstration for you guys. For now, I'm gonna set the fan right up here and let's see how it goes, right? So let's see. Here you go. The exhaust fan will sit just like this, you know. So you don't have to mount on it. You don't have to do anything because it's gonna be sitting on the floor, and the most of the carbon dioxide is a heavy gas. It will be sitting on the floor, on the bottom of the room, and then whenever you run the fan, it will be exhausted out, right out from there. See? Ooh, it's pretty cool, guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. There you go, buddy. Oh, look at this. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna put something for you guys to see the demonstration, right? So I need to have something that will be moving. Let's see, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Because if you put it on the bucket without holes, these will not move. Because the fan will not exhaust the air. But once you have the holes in it, look at this. Oh, it's got its screws and it's almost flying out. Look at this. Hey, look at this, guys. Very nice, very nice. Still need to make like 20% of the holes in this bucket, and then this guy will be sitting right on top, just like this, you know, and the air will be exhausted out. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's falling out. Alright, let's see, guys. There you go, buddy. This will be exhausted out from the window right here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So nice. Very cool. Alright, guys. This is it for now. If you guys like my video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share. This is the world's #1 cheapest, very easiest, simplest, and the very long lasting exhaust fan for your mushroom farm. Alright, guys, so this is how I made, and if you guys like wanted to do by yourself for your farm, you can do it, you know. So I like it and it's working very nice. It's very cool. So this is the number one. I just gave it #1 priority for this one. So it is so cool, guys. Alright, very nice. I'll catch you in the next video with the other thing that I did. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thank you. Bye now.